the 3 most effective ways to make friends while living abroad. We are going to talk about that in this video. So I hope you enjoy it and this video is helpful for you. Hi, my name is Susanna and I am your coach. I created Abroad with Susanna to support international women living abroad to feel more confident and have a purpose while living abroad. What happens when we move abroad? The first thing is kind of the excitement and everything is exhilarating and it's like, yeah, we really want to go abroad. But then one of the first things that hit us is the fact that we don't have friends and we are missing friends back home. Here are the 3 tips that you can implement right away to make new friends. The first one is join a class, a learning language class. That is my first tip, because if you learn a new language, especially if it's the local language, you are going to meet friends that they are in the same situation that you are. So you're not only learning a new skill that is going to benefit you in the future, but as well you're making new friends that you're going to relate a lot. The second tip is about joining a club. And when I say a club, it means something that you are passionate about, or at least you have some interest. It could be a sport, or it could be just, some hobby that you have, music or arts. When you meet these new friends in that group, you have something in common. So not only you're making new friends, but as well you are completely related to them because you're sharing the same passion or the same interest. Lately, I joined the Internations organization that it helps connect all these expats living in your city to do different activities. So you can choose the activity, and again, you're not only sharing the expat experience, but as well sharing that interest in common that you have. Okay, the third tip. Well, this is a bit more tricky maybe. So it really depends on how advanced in your confidence you are. But you can start trying, at least try it. It's about hosting a coffee or a gathering at your place. You can do that with, for instance, starting with your neighbors. If you live in an apartment, maybe you can, just ding dong the person that lives beside you, or in your neighborhood. I walk my dog every day, so I already met so many nice people around my neighborhood because they have a dog as well. You see, another thing that we have in common. And well, I didn't invite all of them, but a couple. And it was very nice because, I practiced my Japanese in this case. And as well, we have in common, that we love dogs and they're neighbors. So, you get to know each other a bit more. Okay, and here is a bonus for you if you have children. Similarly to having a dog, that you have something in common, right? When you have children, usually the school that your kids attend, they have organizations or they have meetings, they have committees, maybe that they organize events. So you can join those events, organizing those events, or maybe at the beginning you just only need to participate in these events. So you can meet new people, new parents that, like you, they are in a very similar situation. They just moved to a new country and their kids attending that school, and you meet each other that way. I know this could happen only in the international schools, but not necessarily, because sometimes the locals as well, they love to meet people who are from abroad, to have another perspective of life. And still, your kids are at the same school, so you have that in common, that it relates to each other. Okay, what did you think about this video? Is it helpful? So I just remind you the 3 tips is mainly join a language class, join a club that you have interest in, like a hobby or activities that you are interested in. And the third one is host a coffee or a gathering at your place. Yes, the bonus is about if you have kids, you can start with the international schools, in those events or those coffees, those meetings that you can meet new friends. Okay, and that's it for today. If you like this video, of course, as always, give it the thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, certainly. And if you want to have a more in-depth chat on how you can feel more confident and have a purpose while living abroad, contact me. I am an expat coach, so I can help you because I've been abroad for 25 years or more. And I have been through so many experiences, raising third culture kids, being married to a Japanese or another culture, and lived between Asia and Europe. So I do have experience, and now I became a life coach, an expat life coach, so I can truly help you. Okay, and that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video.